Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, and guys, we're standing on board one of our trade-ins. This is an incredible family boat for somebody who wants to go boating right now. This is a 2022 Sea Ray 230 SPX. It does have the sport tower over my head, 200 Mercury at the back. Guys, don't quote me, but right around 180 hours. And I'll pause the video and say, hey, any questions you have about this boat, I'm probably going to answer in the video. So watch the whole thing and grab the link here or down in the description. See everything you need. Okay, so we will give you the cooler that goes under the seat when you get the boat. This boat is a Sea Ray blue boat on the exterior. It is called the Ivory interior. This is white, black stitching. You've got the gray or stone sea deck throughout the entire boat. It goes all the way through. Again, 200 horsepower on the back. This boat has the upgraded audio system, so you do get a subwoofer in it, all fusion throughout. You do have that water sports tower over your head. You have the flip-flop seat option here, guys. While this 23 does have an option for the bathroom, it didn't come factory option with a porta potty. So if you want it, we can add it very easily. 9-inch Simrad touchscreen at the dash. Guys, you do have accent lights on this boat, nothing underwater, and the boat is clean. Again, about 180 hours. It does have a trailer. It is bottom painted. It has been serviced. This boat is ready to go to the water right now, and you can put it in the water. If you're at a condo, need to store it, you're up north, whatever you need to do, guys, this boat has been well cared for and is ready to rip for you and the family right now. I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota. Call me or anyone on my team, and we'll get you on board the boat. See you soon.